Where my Gucci gang at? Tiger. Gucci gabbing? Gucci grabbing? Go Gucci grabbing. Oops. Oops. Oopsies. I went back for more. Ah! Go Gucci gang grabbing, gabbing and grabbing. Go. Where my Gucci gang at? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Maya, and I'm a Gucci gang geek. A Gucci gang geek, luxury lover, a shopaholic, she shithead, and today we're doing a second part 2 of my Gucci gang Gucci gang grabbing and gabbing. Gucci gang grabbing and gabbing video from the outlets because I had to go back and make it more. Oops. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash the like button. Please consider subscribing. Keep on watching. Okay. I already did these 3. These are the 3 I got last time that I showed you. I had to go back and get more. I got more. 1, 2, 3. I know. They were in separate boxes because they were in separate bags because I had to go and get 2 and then go back and get the 3rd. So, this is gonna be real quick, okay? I got these 3. I texted the guy, I texted him if I could get a second set, and he didn't respond. I asked about the diaper bag, he didn't respond. I actually asked a lot of questions. I asked for like the size measurements, I asked for some other bags. So I kind of bombarded him a little bit. Probably that's why he didn't respond. Also, it was after hours and then the next morning before it opened. So I was a little bit annoying. I can see why I was annoying, but you know what? I'm a demanding customer. Get used to it, and I buy a lot. Give me what I want. I buy you a lot. I'll buy a lot from you. I'll be a good customer. Anyway, he didn't respond, so I just decided, I was like, should I come? And he didn't respond, so I just drove out there. It was pouring rain. This was the next day, so it opened on Thursday, and then I went on Friday, and I'm probably gonna post this video on Monday, or Monday. But I went back on Friday, I drove back. There was a lot of traffic, but there was no one in the store. It was completely empty. Even the sales associates, there was only 2 sales associates there, but they were both really, really nice. I spoke to both of them. I asked if I could get the same sandals again. I wanted to get another pair. So I got 1 and 1 for me, but they're actually a little bit small. So I'm gonna give 1 to Andrew and 1 to maybe my dad, or I don't know yet, because my dad tried them. I tried them on my dad. He wanted a bigger size up too. And I wanted to get another pair for me because we all actually, me, Andrew, and my dad all want the white red one. And nobody really wants the black one. It's like the ugly child. But I got it already, and I didn't think to bring it back and exchange it. So I have an extra black one, don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. But so I went back to get another white one. So I asked her for the white one in 9. She said she had it. She brought it out, and I asked for the black one in 9. She said she didn't have it. I was like, okay. She brought me a black one in 8. So I was like, okay, fine. And then I was like, do you have any more white ones in 9? And I asked a different lady, and these ladies were both really nice. Both of them. If you guys are watching, or I don't know if they're watching, whatever. I love them both. I love you both. You're both great. And I'm gonna text. I got both their numbers. They were super sweet. One doesn't even work in LA. She works in San Francisco. She's helping open up the store, and she's like, we get different stuff there. Here's my number. I can get you stuff from that store. I was like, great, now I have an access to San Francisco SA, then I can get stuff from there, from Gucci up there. Not that I'm gonna be going crazy amounts of Gucci, like I said before, it's not like ooh, Gucci. But I do love their shoes so much. They're so comfortable. I always love wearing their shoes. I have so many pairs of their shoes. So, and then I asked for another pair of the shiny ones. Didn't have any shiny ones. I was like, fine, whatever. Then also I asked my mom, my mom if she wanted a pair. She said no. I showed the ones to my mom. She did not like them. So when I was there, I didn't get her a pair. But I did FaceTime her while I was there, and I was like, here are the other options. She didn't really like anything. There was one shoe that she liked, didn't have in her size. And it was $130 too. It was like the regular white tennis shoe with like some flower embroidery on it, but it didn't have it. Basically, they were basically almost sold out of everything. So like when I said like you open it, it's like it's already gone. It was so fast. They're having another markdown on Sunday, they told me. So I'm gonna email the girl and say see what else is marked down, because now I'm gonna try to do this like ship thing as soon as they add up. And I did find out it's a pop-up. It's not actually official store. It's a pop-up, and once the pop-up does well, then it'll become a store. So anyway, so I was like, okay, can I get 2 of the whites in 9 and 1 black? And she was like, yeah, she can't get 2 of the same style. I was like, what? And she's like, you can't get 2 more of the same style. It's more about like they don't want, you know, especially on things that are so highly marked down, they want it to be an even playing field, and like let people who first time into Gucci or first time with the brand and stuff like that, they want them to be able to have a chance to buy the stuff. And now I feel kind of bad saying that out loud, so maybe I shouldn't say that. Because I ended up getting them anyway. But she was like, you can't get more than 1. You can't get more than 1 of the style because they limit it, because then it'll flag your account. And I was like, oh, I didn't know that. And she was like, well, actually, you can't get more than 2 of the same style. I was like, is it 1 or 2? She's like, because I already bought a pair yesterday. And she was like, oh, let me see. So she pulled out my account, and she said, yeah, you can only get 1 more of each style. And I was like, can I buy it under someone else's name? Because I was like, I'm literally buying a pair for yesterday's pair, 1 was for Andrew, and then I have a pair for my dad. And I was like, I can FaceTime him, I can use his credit card, I can have him talk to you, whatever, you know. I was like, he cannot come to the store physically. He physically cannot come to the store. He can't walk. He can't, you know, he's on oxygen. And so, and he's in a wheelchair, you know, and I was like, so he can't come. And they were like, she was like, no, I can't. It would still be under your card unless you have his credit card. And I was like, I didn't bring it. I drove all the way out here. She was like, look, you can get one more in each color. And I was like, fine, let me take one more white, one more black. She only had the black in 8, so I took one more white, one more black. I mean, I don't need to unbox these for you again. They're the same shoes. Like, it's the same. I got another set of white and black. Alright, fine, I'll really quickly unbox them. More. Got white in 9. Woo woo for dad. And then black receipt. A black 8 in black. Weird. Only have one dust bag. That's a little weird. You can only give me one dust bag. That's annoying. A black with 8. An 8 in black. Outlets, right? I guess I should have checked them. Oh well. It looks good. It's fine. They're going to be sitting on the floor anyway. I'm not going to use them. Either I'm not going to use them or I'm going to... Well, if I gift this, I have to have both the dust bags, but $80. These are $80, you guys. 80. These were $80 each. Crazy sale. Okay. Those two. And then I was like, can I get one more? The other one. And she was like, no. She's like, you have to buy it on another account or you can buy it with cash. And I was like, okay, so I'll buy it with cash. So I ran to the ATM and I got some cash and I bought another one. And I was going to get more. So like, this is like a sale deal. But I felt bad. Like, she's right. I should let other people get these. I understand why they have a 2-person limit because so then other people can get some. So, but I was buying for other people, so it's like not whatever. I got another white one, so that's 2 more white ones. So now I have 3 white ones. One for me, one for Dad, one for Andrew, and 2 black ones for nobody. Maybe I'll give one away. Maybe if I had 1,000 subscribers, maybe I'll give one away. It is a men's size 8 though. So. Huh? Okay, thanks, Maria. All right, bye. So I got these 3. Another white. This is my 9 in silver. Another black. Shoe whore. Shoe whore. Gucci gang. That's all I got. This is a quick video. I know we're starting the wedding week this week, so it's gonna be a little crazy. I might not post as much for the ceremony. We're starting the ceremony but I'm really excited. It's gonna be really fun, and that's all I got. I got these today, and these yesterday, or these Friday, and these Thursday, and I think I'm Gucci out for a little bit, but I'm sitting on my Gucci gang chrome. I got some Gucci bag, Gucci shoes, Gucci, Gaki. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. If you liked it, please share it with your friends and family. If you hated it, share it with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thank you. Bye.